Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to blow your minds with some seriously awesome ways to make money. And the best part is, you don't have to be a grown-up to do it. That's right, we're talking about how to rake in some serious cash as a teenager. Forget about asking your parents for allowance because after watching this video, you'll be a self-made entrepreneur, swimming in your own pool of hard-earned cash. We're talking about starting your own businesses, becoming the boss of your own empire, and having enough money to buy all the video games, clothes, and whatever else your heart desires. Get ready for some mind-blowing tips and tricks that will have you saying goodbye to empty pockets and hello to financial freedom. We're about to unlock the secrets to teenage wealth, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this money. Alright guys, first up on our list of money-making missions is starting your very own YouTube channel. This is your chance to turn your passion into profit and have a blast while doing it. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, that's easier said than done. But let me tell you, every big YouTuber started somewhere and so can you. But trust me, it's not as crazy as it sounds. With a bit of creativity and consistency, you can build your own audience. You've got a phone, right? That's all you need to get started. Your smartphone is a powerful tool that can help you create amazing content. And I bet you spend hours watching YouTube anyway, so why not make some money while you're at it? Turn those hours into something productive and fun. Think about what you love doing. What are your hobbies? What excites you? What can you talk about for hours without getting bored? Are you a gaming wizard, a makeup magician, a prank-pulling pro? Or maybe you have a unique talent or skill that you can share with the world. Whatever your passion is, there's an audience out there just waiting to be entertained. People love watching others who are passionate and enthusiastic. Film yourself doing what you love, edit it up real nice, and boom, you've got yourself a YouTube channel. Editing can be fun and adds a personal touch to your videos. But Mr. Beast, you say, how does that make me money? Great question. It's all about building your channel and engaging with your audience. Well, my friend, that's where the magic of monetization comes in. YouTube offers several ways to earn money, and ads are just the beginning. Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, don't worry, we'll teach you all about that later, you can start running ads on your videos. Plus, there are other revenue streams like sponsorships and merchandise. And the more views you get, the more money you make. It's a numbers game. And with dedication, those numbers can grow quickly. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you were sleeping. All because people were watching your awesome videos. It's like having a 24/7 money-making machine. That's the power of YouTube, my friends. It's a platform that rewards creativity and effort. And the best part is, you can do it from anywhere. Your bedroom, your backyard, or even while you're out and about. Your bedroom, your backyard, even your school cafeteria, just kidding. Maybe check with your principal first. The world is your studio, but it's not just about the money, although that's definitely a huge bonus. It's about sharing your voice and connecting with others. Starting a YouTube channel is an amazing way to express yourself creatively, connect with people who share your interests, and maybe even become internet famous. You'll build a community of like-minded individuals. Who knows, you could be the next big YouTube sensation. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just as exciting as the destination. So, what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Grab your phone, start filming, and get ready to unleash your inner YouTuber. Embrace the adventure and have fun with it. The world is your oyster, my friend, and it's time to start cashing in on your awesomeness. Let's make some YouTube magic happen. Alright, chapter 2, time to get down to business. Literally. Let's talk about odd jobs, the bread and butter of teenage entrepreneurship. Remember those chores your parents always ask you to do? Well, guess what? Other people hate doing them too, and they're willing to pay good money to make those pesky tasks disappear. Think about it. Mowing lawns, raking leaves, shoveling snow, walking dogs, washing cars. These are all things that people need done, and they're the perfect opportunity for you to swoop in and save the day. Print out some flyers, spread the word around your neighborhood, and watch the cash start rolling in. And the best part is, you get to be your own boss. You set your own hours, choose your own clients, aka your neighbors, and decide how much you want to charge. It's like running your own mini empire, one lawn at a time. But it's not just about the money, although again, that's a pretty sweet perk. Doing odd jobs teaches you valuable life skills like responsibility, hard work, and how to manage your time effectively. Plus, you'll be earning money doing something productive, which is way more satisfying than just asking your parents for cash. And who knows, maybe you'll discover a hidden talent for landscaping or become the neighborhood's most sought-after dog walker. The possibilities are endless. So grab your rake, your shovel, or your leash and get ready to conquer the world of odd jobs. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Alright, you creative geniuses, this chapter is for you. If you've got a knack for making things with your hands, then you're in the right place. Let's talk about turning your artistic talents into cold, hard cash. Imagine making money doing something you absolutely love. Have you ever made something so cool that your friends were like, I'd totally buy that? Well, that's your first clue that you might be onto something big. Well, guess what? There's a whole world of people out there who are just as obsessed with handmade goodies as your friends are. And they're willing to pay for it. Think about it. Jewelry, candles, soap, paintings, clothes, phone cases. If you can dream it, you can craft it. The possibilities are endless, and thanks to the internet, you can sell your creations to people all over the world. No longer are you limited to just your local area. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even Instagram are your new best friends when it comes to setting up shop and showcasing your masterpieces. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience, and the best part is, you get to be your own boss. Sensing a theme here? You have the freedom to make your own decisions and run your business your way. You decide what you want to make, how much you want to sell it for, and when you want to work. It's all up to you. It's like having your own little factory of creativity, where you're the artist, the CEO, and the marketing team all rolled into one. You wear many hats, and each one is crucial to your success. But it's not just about the money, although let's be real, that's a pretty awesome motivator. It's also about the joy of creating and sharing your work with others. Selling your handmade crafts is an amazing way to share your unique talents with the world, build your own brand, and turn your passion into a profitable business. It's about making a name for yourself and leaving your mark. So dust off your glue gun, fire up your sewing machine, or grab your paintbrushes, and get ready to unleash your inner crafting superstar. The tools are in your hands, and the world is waiting to see what you create. The world is your canvas, and it's time to start painting your own path to financial freedom. Your journey starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Alright Brainiacs, this one's for you. Let's talk about tutoring, the ultimate side hustle for those of you who actually paid attention in class. Whether you're a high school student or a college whiz, tutoring can be a fantastic way to earn some extra cash while doing something you love. Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru, a science superstar? Maybe you're even a history buff or a language enthusiast? Whatever your area of expertise, there's a student out there who could benefit from your knowledge. Well, guess what? Your knowledge is power, literally. There are tons of students out there who are struggling with those very subjects, and they're willing to pay good money for someone to help them ace their exams. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your students improve and succeed because of your guidance. Think about it. You're already an expert in these subjects, so why not share your wisdom and make some bank while you're at it? It's a win-win situation. Not only do you get to reinforce your own understanding, but you also get to help others in the process. You can tutor kids in your neighborhood, at your school, or even online. The flexibility is incredible. You can choose to have face-to-face sessions or leverage technology to reach students from all over the world. Websites like TutorMe and Schooly make it super easy to connect with students who need your help, and you can set your own rates and schedule. This means you can work around your own commitments and still make a significant income. And the best part is, you guessed it, you get to be your own boss. No more rigid schedules or micromanaging supervisors. You have the freedom to design your tutoring business the way you want. You choose the subjects you want to tutor, the age group you feel most comfortable working with, and how many hours you want to put in. This level of control allows you to create a perfect balance between work and personal life. It's like being a teacher, but without all the grading and staff meetings. You get to focus on the best part of teaching, helping students learn and grow. But it's not just about the money, although, let's be real, that's a pretty sweet perk. The experience you gain from tutoring can be incredibly valuable for your future career. Tutoring is an incredibly rewarding experience. You get to see the direct impact of your efforts on your students' success and confidence. You get to help students succeed, build their confidence, and develop a love of learning. There's nothing quite like the feeling of knowing you've made a difference in someone's academic journey. Plus, you'll be sharpening your own skills in the process, which is never a bad thing. Whether it's reinforcing your own knowledge or developing new teaching techniques, tutoring keeps you on your toes. So grab your textbooks, brush up on your knowledge, and get ready to become the tutor extraordinaire you were always meant to be. The world needs more passionate and dedicated tutors like you. Sharing your smarts has never been so lucrative. Not only will you earn money, but you'll also gain invaluable experience and make a positive impact on the lives of your students. Alright guys, last but not least, let's talk about the classic teenage money-making method, getting a part-time job. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast, that sounds so boring, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. There are tons of cool and interesting part-time jobs out there that will actually teach you valuable skills, introduce you to awesome people, and yes, put some serious cash in your pocket. Think about it. Working at a movie theater, a clothing store, a restaurant, a summer camp, or even an amusement park. These are all places where you can interact with people, learn new things, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Plus, you'll be earning money, which is always a bonus. And the best part is, you knew it was coming. You'll gain valuable work experience that will look amazing on your resume when you're applying for colleges or future jobs. Employers love to see that you're responsible, dedicated, and have a strong work ethic. And a part-time job is the perfect way to demonstrate those qualities. But it's not just about the work experience, although that's definitely a huge plus. Having a part-time job teaches you valuable life skills like teamwork, communication, and how to deal with different types of people. Plus, you'll be earning your own money, which means you'll finally be able to afford all those things you've been wanting. So dust off your resume, practice your interview skills, and get ready to land your dream part-time job. The working world is your oyster, and it's time to start shucking. So there you have it, guys. 5 awesome ways to start making money as a teenager. Remember, it doesn't matter if you're a tech-savvy YouTuber, a crafting extraordinaire, or a neighborhood odd job expert. There's a money-making opportunity out there for everyone. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also ready to start their own teenage empires. Thanks for watching and good luck on your money-making journey. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your financial dreams is you. So get out there, hustle hard, and make it rain.